So I'm a fan of tasting tequila. You're gonna taste this. You're gonna taste it. For me, this is the perfect margarita. Hey everyone, I'm Brian and welcome to Dad Bakes Cookies and Makes Cocktails. Today we're gonna make my favorite cocktail, a margarita on the rocks. This is all that goes into a margarita. Oh, this is all that goes into a margarita. Unless you're making flavored and then, add the strawberries or whatever. But this is all that goes in there. And that's what we're gonna make today. This is one of my favorite tequila brands. Go with silver tequila. It's just so much smoother in your margarita. What's the saying? Lighter, browner, drunker. I forget the saying. Do you know what this is? Triple sec. It's a citrus. Actually, I don't really know what it is. It's like a citrus liquor. And some limes. Grab 2 limes. Really only gonna need 1. Just like us, limes come in different shapes and sizes. If they're a little smaller, maybe a lime and a half, maybe 2 limes. It's also up to your preference too. If you want something a little more limey, a little less limey. This is how I measure all of my cocktails. I have a shot glass, and so do you. So before you get started, fill up your cocktail shaker and your drinking glass with ice. 2 to 1, tequila to everything else. 2 shots of tequila, 1 shot of triple sec. So we're gonna make 1 margarita. Let's do this. Let's start with some tequila. So we're gonna do 2 shots of tequila, 1 shot of triple sec. These make squeezing limes so easy. If you don't have them, use your hands. We're gonna go with this. You have for your lemons, and this little thing is for your limes. Half lime, stick it in there, and you're just gonna squeeze right over. Oh my God, look at that. So easy. Look at that. It like inverted the lime. That squeezed out all the juice. Start with half a lime, taste it, and then add more lime juice as you want. I'm gonna do a whole lime. Ooh, a little explosion. And then you're gonna put this on and give it a good shake. Whoops, this too. Because we're not using sweet and sour mix, if you want a little bit of natural sweetener, put a squeeze of agave in there. You're gonna pour your margarita right over your ice. And if you want to, I like to garnish with a lime. I'll just stick it right in there. And it's really that easy. I didn't taste this as I went, so hopefully it'll be fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Yes. So I'm a fan of tasting tequila. You're gonna taste this. You're gonna taste it. For me, this is the perfect margarita. Cheers. If you're interested in some more of our cocktails, check out these videos right here. Oh, that's some good stuff.